And we're live. Okay. Let's jump right into it. Oh, wait a minute. I just want to see if I can share the link. I wonder if that's the correct link. Maybe here. Here. Okay, selecting. There you go. And Twitter, maybe. Okay, so since the last stream, I've done some changes, as in like deleted the whole component and just transferred the code. So first of all, before I show too much, let's fix this error here. And it's max dash statements. I will actually not be fixing that. So lint disable max statements. Here we go. Okay. Close down some stuff and let's hopefully my test. Oh, okay. So that's something stable here. So what have I done? I have made some tests for and new stuff on behaviors and states. So we start here in IX input, which is just some kind of component, which consists of two different inputs. You see on 12 and 14. And one of those inputs is UI, which is the front end, like the graphical one that you see. That one is input saved, which consists of the state that the client saves to the server and that the server gives back down to other clients. So that's the kind of IX part. And it won't be used in any graphical kind of way. Buttons, we have an OK, cancel button, loader. I haven't really worked with that yet. But we have behaviors, some old render, which is what I will be working on now, and the state. Just going through. As I talked about in the previous video, I have done the with latest from part in the behavioral part. So I'm actually taking in state streams into the behavior, since we're in a reactive component here. And just export, save, and cancel with the correct event data that we get from the saved state streams. And the tests look like this. We have a test for press OK. We expect, never mind that actually. So basically we're just doing this, like we're listening to the save stream, baby stream. Take the first thing that happens, because this one is not replaying. It's just normal hot observable. And then afterwards down here, we do the button like a press dot next as a subject. And that will fire off the behavior. And it will then look for the saved, no, the UI, input UI. and grab the state from theirs. And that's, let's see here, button input UI state stream here. So it gets the signal from button OK with latest from the state stream. And then we check if the event data we get converted to normal JS object from previous immutable. So this is immutable, but after this call, it's normal. And we should get input-UI state saved. And yeah, the tests are working. So press OK. And same thing with press cancel. That, but in the opposite direction. So we have the cancel stream. Take one from that and compare that to cancel data is what we expect. And if we cancel, we should get event data that contains the input saved state. Okay. So once we have those two behaviors, it means that we have a behavior with OK, but that has payload containing the state to be saved. And if we press cancel, we get the cancel behavior stream, well, cancel event. And that event will contain the latest saved input saved state. Shout out to my homies on the green line, represent eller någonting. Okay. Actually, Gren, if I have 2 viewers, I'm basically half of those, I guess, since I'm viewing my own stream. That's kind of sad. Okay, so what I want to do now is ridiculously terrifying. I actually want to see what we have in the front end. So, and work with that. And actually it was the other guy at work, Olle, who did most of those things. So well, let's see how it looks. I'm not really, don't really know what to expect. So contain run client start watch. We now it's in like that. Oh, unless. Hopefully I won't destroy the good code actually made by what I'm about to do now. Let's just see here. Post 8080. Yeah, fail. That's an easy one, I guess. Required prop state not in render. I'm guessing that's here. No. Very required was not specified in render. The main render. It's the opposite direction, I think. But I'm so confused. Like, where? Okay. Main content, I guess, is that's weird. This tells me nothing. I mean, oh, here we go. Render. Bam. State input UI. I'm gonna state here, and it should be. Oh, I guess that it wants input UI, maybe. Oh, and the dogs and my girlfriend's come back. And squeaky toys from miles away. So it will get a bit noisy, I guess. So, what if we go back to that? Is it that kind of? Jag streamar så du vet, men inte kamera på. The current prop state was not specified in render. And it's in this render. Is it in input maybe? And it's not defined? That's not weird. UI type is here. That's weird. Why do we have UI type here? Should be on the outside. That's our dog. Ah, det var det väl bra. And we'll find some quieter squeaky toy. Okay, so this streaming will suck, I guess, because I really don't understand what it's complaining about. So it's prop state, not specifying render, so that's perfectly clear. I mean, let's just try and rename some stuff, I guess. Actually, let's do it like this. If we get to here. Okay, so we don't have an error here. And so it should be the input component, I guess, then. Oh. And that's state.get. Because it looks good. So what's it complaining about now? I'm just worried that this looks wrong. We shouldn't pass in the UI type, so I guess I'll just fix it. It should come from here. We don't get UI type here either. UI type. There's so many small things that's changed, so like yeah. Let's see how it works now. Scrap that. Actually got something. Yeah, you can see that I have no clue what I'm doing. Oh. Here we have something interesting. So right info is the logger. The reason why it's so unstable right now is basically just that. Do we need server? I need to fix it. But in my pull request, I'd rather not. So actually don't need that. Just need to make sure the beautiful input field. Restart here. Okay, so it's only connection refuse stuff going on. That's okay. And we had some alert boxes coming up, but where is that happening? Because let's just search for it. Oh, it's a link disable. Okay, that's why. Where was this button? Okay, cool. And that's fixed. Now, what happens, and how do I know if anything happens when I press different stuff? So I need to do something with A's input here. And like, let's do it here. Stream, subscribe. Yeah, sure. State. And we're in at, for now, let's just do state data to DS and console up there. Hard to know which button is. Oh, and this doesn't work. Crap. I can't write anything. Something broke. Maybe it's when I made it to .cat here. But stay. What was it before? State dot value. Okay, so that's wrong. Okay. I think the reason is that I've used map here and not like from JS, I think, but I don't want to break other stuff. So that actually works. Input UI is blank. That one is saved. Wait. Bet that I've done something wrong in the like reducer or something, and okay, so let's see there. But why haven't my tests found that out? Wait, let's restart. Just do it like that. And I don't know this actual state anymore. Let's try the other button then. So no one has the value and input UI. That's true. I haven't merged the input UI state into its own. I actually forgot. So it's only like different events, I guess. So that will. Well, I won't even guess what happens in each case because it won't work as it should. So IX input state. Don't need to mark that to be removed since it's a console. Okay, let's see here. This one should be merged as well. So we're concatenating the reducers, scanning, getting wait. If the state of either of them changes, get change here. We will get signal of that change. Okay, so what's happening here is we have the input UI state stream, and we get the initial state all as we should. We just take one value to get our own initial states. So it's kind of the same that we should do here as well. So when we're saving, that's the question I'm asking myself here. Like when we're reducing and setting the state, should we really do that? Shouldn't we like just propagate that change to the other components? And that's a no, we should not. So that means, because then we lose control, which doesn't mean anything to you guys. Okay, so anyhow, we shouldn't use the input's own state and behavior. Do we need to add a behavior here? I really thought that I was done with the whole figuring the hard stuff out. Because here we only have behavior for the button presses. We don't have any behavior for the UI. So here we also need the behavior for input UI behaviors and set value. That can actually be set value. That means just do set value. We're just forwarding it as our own behavior on this components level. So we can forward it. And now in state, we have behavior stream save, cancel, and set value. So far, this is just like, or this will actually be kind of copying, duplicating code from the input set value behavior and set value reducer. This reducer will be a copy, except some small thing. table here. It's a state, we have the event data, and we should return state data dot set. And now we should have the event data. There should just be a text string. Here we'll do input. You think I can do like set inner? I think. Oh, and I. Okay, so I just think it's like this. And I think it's an array, right? Yeah. So input UI, and that has the value. And we should set it to event data. So let's see here. They call it. Hopefully getting closer. And same thing, of course. But wait, there we should get state should get from behavior streams. Behaviors, did I forget it here? No, set value is here. And behavior streams, behaviors.streams. So it should actually get behavior streams, save, cancel set value. Okay. That's weird. But I'm basically just forwarding to input UI. Oh. pressing a button. Can you see me now? This, I mean, okay, so that's the same value. What happens if I press there? Input saved is that, and input UI, crap. Is it the same thing now? Oh, okay, so it set an empty value instead. So let's just see. If I save and do it like that, press down. Oh, wrong object. Okay, so input UI always gets empty value. That's bad. So what is going on then? Let's look at state. So it gets a cancel signal. And if the event data is empty, which should come from here. Wait a minute. We're not using that. Or press cancel. But isn't that correct? Press cancel. Oh yeah, crap! I redid this. Or wait, what's going on? Press cancel. I'm not following. Why do I have the hey in? Oh, it's probably okay. Never mind. I don't need to care about that. So input save state data. That one is actually empty, but we're setting. Oh yeah, I'm actually setting it from this in the input from here, but it's not where we actually save the data. It's getting inception for me now. Okay, so basically we're here, graded two buttons here, and when we reduce this stuff. So we're setting the value, not that one, but we're not changing any states. So that's the issue here. We are not changing the state in the saved component. Okay, so basically it's back to the drawing board. I just want to see how long. Anyhow, I'll end the stream for this time, and I need to think about how to get the state or use the actual correct state, not get the state. I already have the state, but I'm using the wrong state. Okay.